Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving if you're playing Halo Infinite and you're experiencing high packet loss while playing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to just open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, or go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now what I want you to do is type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, again as you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And hopefully at this point our Halo Infinite game should be playing a little bit more smoothly. If you have poor internet connection, you may want to contact your ISP or an internet service provider for assistance. Maybe you need a better plan. Also, if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, you might want to move a little closer to your router, or vice versa, move your router a little closer to where you are. That could definitely improve the performance. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.